In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Hollyland Lark M2 to Sony camera. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to talk about the process of mounting and using your Lark M2 microphones with your Sony camera. Keep in mind that this process will also work with any other camera that you have, even if it is not by Sony. So all that you have to do is first set up the receiver. So this receiver can be mounted to your camera. Most cameras will use the same mounting mechanism or style, including of course the majority of Sony cameras. So it often includes a cold shoe mount, which allows you to attach it to the top of your camera, as you can see according to this image. So it's usually mounted at the top of the camera like this. Now, to actually connect it to your camera, use the provided 3.5mm TRS to TRS cable. So plug one end of the cable into the 3.5mm audio output jack on the Lark M2 receiver. So on the side of the receiver, there will be a 3.5mm jack that you can use, so around this side here. And then the other end of the cable goes into the camera. So plug the other end of the cable into the 3.5mm microphone input jack on your camera. Now power on the devices. Turn on the Hollyland Lark M2 transmitters and the receiver. They will connect automatically as soon as you take them out of the case, so you will see the lights blink and they should be able to connect between themselves. So the transmitters will be properly connected to the receiver, which is now plugged into the camera with the 3.5mm cable. Turn on your camera, and before you start recording, check the audio levels. So use any sort of monitoring feature that your camera has to see if the audio levels are okay. They will have an audio level display, and you may need to adjust the gain on your camera or on the receiver. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Hollyland Lark M2 to camera. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.